Hello YouTubers, welcome again to Piano Lessons with Godfrey. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at Focus by H.E.R. So the song is played in the key of E. So this song consists of 6 chords. So let's play it. It's so our first chord is E major. On the right hand it's B, E and A flat. On the left hand is A flat and E. Our next chord is on my right hand it's F sharp, B and E flat. On the left hand is E flat and B. Our next chord on the left hand I have D, F and A flat. On the right hand it's B, D, F and A flat. And the next chord is on the left hand it's a dominant 7th. So on the left hand I have C sharp, F, A flat, and on the right hand it's B, C sharp, F and A flat. Then we come to F sharp minor 7th. So on my left hand I have F sharp and C sharp. On the right hand is F sharp, A, C sharp and E. The next chord is a da 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 da. So on my left hand I have A, and on the right hand it's C, E and F sharp. Back to number 1. Sorry. Back to yes. So it's a sorry. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and also like this video. Thank you.